What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2008 Harley Davidson Fat Boy. Guys, this bike's in amazing shape. It does have some, well, it has some goofy things that I'll point out, but I think this bike is so awesome. It's got a little bit of the clear coat's missing a little bit right there. You can see the tiny little lines. There's some pitting on that rear wheel. So, you could use some cleaner, get some of that off. Pitting doesn't necessarily always go away 100%. Tank is in good shape, got a tiny little scratch right on top of there. Goofy little like cigarette burns in the front of the seat here. You just get a new seat, swap it out. Shouldn't be that big of an issue. I don't have any in stock right now. Tank bib. Chrome's in pretty good shape. It's got obviously the 96 cubic inch with the 6-speed. It does have chrome lowers, which is the greatest thing. It is pitting right here on the connection. Chrome lowers are the best, man. Chip in the front fender. I love the logos on these, pitting on the same side, similar place. I love the logos on these. It's just such a classic Harley Davidson logo. I think it looks so good. It's such a good. We have another one that has a blue and black logo. Looks so good. Big old sissy bar. Top of the tank's in good shape. Guys, this bike with like a tiny bit. It looks like the rubber around the gas cap. Nope, pop right back in. Some scratches around the gas can, or they refilled up for gas. Just some goofy little things, guys. Not a huge deal. It's only got 22,671 miles on it. Fired up. It's a great looking bike, guys. It does have some goofy little things that I showed you. The tire tread is good on the front, and it's good on the rear as well. Guys, this bike's it's a great looking bike, guys. I love the red. It's a Fat Boy. It got some goofy little things here and there, but just a little bit of TLC. It's going to be super cheap, guys. Let me know if it's something you're interested in, guys. 20,000 miles is nothing on this bike. Thanks so much for watching, guys.